Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews on the latest gear and gadgets. Today, we're diving into one of the best cargo management solutions out there, the CargoGlide CGCTTD-4 sliding tie-down Eyebolt attachment. If you're looking to streamline your hauling experience, this might just be the perfect addition to your setup. Stick around as we unpack what makes this product stand out from the rest. Now, let's kick things off by exploring what makes the CargoGlide CGCTTD-4 so special. This sliding tie-down Eyebolt attachment is designed with precision and durability in mind. It's crafted to fit seamlessly with all CargoGlide models, ensuring a perfect integration into your existing setup. Whether you're transporting gear for work or play, this accessory promises to make your life easier. Let's talk features. The CGCTTD-4 boasts easy installation and use, meaning you spend less time fussing with equipment and more time hitting the road. Its robust construction ensures reliability, proudly made in the USA and built by veterans. This isn't just another tie-down, it's a testament to quality craftsmanship and thoughtful design. Installing the CGCTTD-4 is a breeze. Simply attach it to your CargoGlide system, and you're ready to secure your cargo with confidence. The sliding Eyebolt design allows for flexibility and positioning, accommodating various load shapes and sizes. Whether you're securing tools, equipment, or recreational gear, this accessory ensures everything stays in place during transit. Now, let's briefly compare the CGCTTD-4 with other options on the market. Unlike traditional tie-downs, this model offers enhanced versatility and ease of use. Its compatibility with CargoGlide systems gives it a competitive edge, ensuring a tailored fit and seamless functionality. While other products may offer similar features, few can match the rugged reliability and intuitive design of the CGCTTD-4. While we don't rely on customer reviews for our evaluations, it's worth noting the overwhelmingly positive feedback this product has received. It's reassuring to see such consistent praise from those who have integrated this accessory into their daily routines. As we wrap up our review, it's clear that the CargoGlide CGCTTD-4 sliding tie-down Eyebolt attachment is a standout choice for anyone serious about optimizing their cargo management. From its robust build to its user-friendly design, every aspect speaks to the quality and innovation you'd expect from CargoGlide. If you're in the market for a reliable, American-made solution to keep your gear secure on the go, look no further than the CGCTTD-4. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. If you found this review helpful, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more insightful reviews on essential gear like the CargoGlide CGCTTD-4. Drop a comment below to let us know your thoughts or if there are any products you'd like us to review next. Until next time, stay tuned and stay informed. Happy hauling!